Hi guys, welcome back to our tech. Today we are going to see how to install IDM on your Windows PC. For those who don't know what IDM is called Internet Download Manager. It speeds up your download from browser. Imagine that you are downloading a file which is greater than 5 GB and your browser says it takes 6 to 7 hours for this file to be downloaded to your PC. And to download the 6 hours file, 5 GB file, you should keep your PC on for 6 to 7 hours. If you keep it, it hurts your PC. To prevent this, we use IDM. This Internet Download Manager software will speed up your downloading process. What you should do is copy the download link and paste it in the download manager, and it will download the file 10 times faster than your browser. And the most important thing we are going to do in this video is we are going to activate the IDM for lifetime. If you don't know, IDM will come only for a 30-day trial. But in this video, we will activate it for lifetime. Come on, let's move into the video. Before moving in, please subscribe to our tech. Now let's move into the video. Okay, to download the IDM files, open your browser and type in this URL, which I will give in the description. This will take you to the Mega website where you can download the files. You can see this is the file, zip file. Download it from here. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to use that one. As you can see, I have the file here. Now extract it. You can see there's a folder. Here you have all the files that is required for this software. First, you should enable your extension in whatever browser you are using. I am using my Brave browser, so I will enable that extension in this. You can see this is the IDM extension. I'm going to add it to my Brave. After adding it, close your browser. Now run the installer file. Click on Run as Administrator and it will start installing the software. Click on Next. Check I am agreed to the terms and conditions. Click on Next and choose your location. I have selected my folder. After selecting your folder, for activating the license for lifetime, now click on Next and click on Next, and it will start installing all the files, and click on Finish, and that's it. The IDM is now installed, but this will be active only for 30 days. Now you will see this icon in your taskbar bar here, this one. Now to activate the license, right click on the icon and click on Exit, and the icon will disappear. Now you should go to the folder and you will see IDM activator.zip. Extract the file here and open the folder. Go to the activator folder and you will see idman.exe. What you should do is right click on that application file and click on copy and go to the shortcut testac icon, which I enabled in the installation step. Now right click on that icon and click on open file location. You can see this is the file. Now right click in this folder and click on paste. You should paste the file you copied in the activator folder and click on replace file and done. Now close this folder and you will see another for two files here. What you should do is first find what kind of bit file your PC is using. To see that, go to this PC here, right click on it, click on properties and it will open settings. If you scroll down and see, you can see the 64-bit operating system is here. If you are 32-bit, open this file. As my PC is 64-bit, I will double click on this 64-bit file. Now follow the steps. This is the one. Click on yes. On OK. That's it. Now what you should do is delete the installer and activator file from your PC. That's it. Now you have the Internet Download Manager for lifetime. Now I am going to download a sample file. Note before, after you download the IDM, it will ask you for update. Never update this, because if you update, this license will not be activated. Click on cancel to stop the update. Now let's download a sample file from the internet. After opening your web browser, go to your downloads page here. I have downloaded it here. You can see the URL of this downloaded thing. Right click on it and click on copy link address and go to your IDM, click on add URL and paste that URL and click on OK and click on start download. Set your download location and click on start download. As you can see, it is now downloaded. If I download this with my browser, it will take 2 to 3 minutes, but it downloaded it in a second. Now let's see the use of the IDM extension in your browser. Before in this video, I have installed the extension. Now let's download any file. So I'm going to download this file. Let's click on the copy this link and paste it in your browser, and then you will see the file. Now click on download now. Now uh, Now by default the file explorer will open and ask where to save the file, but now the IDM extension is replacing the file explorer with the IDM. So I will set the location as the desktop again, and I will start download, and you can see the file is now downloaded. With this extension's help, we can do download directly from the browser without using the file explorer. So you can download all the files much faster than usual. Okay guys, hope you like this video. We will meet in another awesome video. And also, if you have any doubts regarding this video and any other videos in the channel, feel free to ask me in my Discord server. If you have any doubts and other clarifications, you can ask me in this server. I am giving the invite link in the description. Now, if you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe our channel to get more awesome videos, and click on the notification bell and set it to all. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get all the notification to your notification area here. Okay, let's meet in another video. Bye.